Welcome back to our next video, guys. Today I'll be preparing some sweet and sour chicken. So here I have some chicken wings and chicken breasts. So what I'm going to do now is to just remove the end part of the chicken wing because that is not needed. I'm just going to use this part and this part. That's not needed. That can throw away. Alright, so we're just going, in this case we're just going to need just these two parts of the wing. So here I am seasoning up my chicken. So here I have some Jamaican Maggi all-purpose seasoning and small amount of chicken seasoning. I didn't had a lot, so I had to use what I had. Alright, so here I'm just seasoning up my chicken. And I forgot my salt, so I had to just quickly wrap it up and put that on board. So here I am massaging that seasoning in the chicken. Yeah, get that seasoning way in the chicken. So as I was saying there, the remaining Maggi all-purpose seasoning I was just going to pour it in the flour when coating the wings. Put in my seasoning, put in my salt now. Massage that in quickly. I'll be putting the ingredients in the description box below, so you guys don't have to worry. So I'm just gonna leave my chicken now for like 30 minutes to get that seasoning way in. So the brand oil I'm going to use is Geddes. It's my first time using it, so yeah. So here I am with 2 cups of flour, regular flour. So as I said before, I'm just gonna pour in the remaining of the Maggi all-purpose seasoning in the flour. Mix that in. Mix it. Here I have is a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just gonna mix that in as well. And a tablespoon of salt also. Just gonna mix that in. Gonna place our chicken in now, our wings in now. So I'm just gonna place them in the pot of hot oil. Take my time and just place them in. I just don't want to just throw them in like that and get in the burn. So we're going to fry them until they're golden brown. We don't want them too crispy and we don't want them too soft. So what I'm going to do now, alright, see, when I flip them, that's when I flip them. So what we're going to do now is to just turn down the stove and put a pot cover over the stove, and let that steam cook the meat inside, cook inside. So here I am taking them out. Don't worry about that black spot. That black spot on them is just that blood coming out and the oil. Turn it into that color. Trying to just remove some of that oil from them, putting them on paper towel to just take out some of that oil. Yeah, here are my wings, look so delicious. So here I am making my sauce. I have like 1 cup of tomato ketchup, 1 cup of vinegar. Just gonna mix that. So here I have is 1 cup of granulated sugar. Gonna mix that in, and I have like 1/2 cup of water. So I had to just put a small amount of vinegar in the pot to just tender my vegetables. Just to get them a little bit soft, not too crispy. Just soften them up a little. So they're finished. So I'm just gonna pour in my sauce now. My God, looks so satisfying and delicious in one. So I'm just gonna mix that. Mix. I'm just gonna close the pot, to get that sauce boiled down a little and get a little bit thickish. So here it is, it's finishing boil down. So I'm just gonna place my wings and my chicken breast in now. This looks so delicious, guys, and satisfying. And it is delicious, trust me. You guys should try it out. Just gonna mix that, mix it. Just want that sauce to touch every part of them. We're just gonna flip them over and just, yeah. So here's the finishing touch. I end up preparing them with some French fries and a mashed potato on the side. Yep, my chips are golden brown. My wings look so delicious.
Alright, so this is the ending result. This is the sweet and sour chicken. Yeah. I end up preparing it with some fries and mashed potato on the side. Yeah. I end up doing some chips and some mashed potato on the side. It tastes good. It tastes good, people. Alright, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Just leave comment down below what kind of dish we prepare next. So, alright.